The RedRock 4x4 Cowl Body Armor is for those of you that have a 2007 to 2018 JK that are looking to protect that cowl area or to cover up some existing damage. A lot of you will have that dimple on your cowl if you've removed your door strap to remove your door, but the wind grabs it or you're parked on a hill, the door opens completely up and the mirror dings the cowl area. Again, this will help to protect against that, or if you already have that damage, instead of trying to push it out from the inside or taking it and having it professionally repaired, this is going to cover up that damage. There are also a smaller portion of you that are just going to install these because you like the look, and that's perfectly okay as well. This is going to be a nice easy 1 out of 3 wrench installation. These will just use a little bit of 3M adhesive to attach onto the Jeep, and they are going to be very, very inexpensive. There are some options out there that are a little bit more expensive, but I don't really see a reason to spend any more. These are going to be inexpensive, easy to install, and they'll still get the job done. These are going to be made out of an ABS plastic, and they have a little bit of a diamond plate design to them. They're really just a piece of plastic that is the same shape as the cowl, has some 3M adhesive on it, goes right on the cowl, protects or covers damage. These are very, very simple, not a whole lot to say about it. I mentioned before there are some options out there that are more expensive than these. These come in at $15, and I think that is a very fair price for these. And really all you should be spending. I don't see a reason to spend a lot more on another option. Now we'll have a member of the install team show you how you get these installed on your Jeep.
So first we're going to take our soap and water mixture. We're going to spray this cowl panel, wipe it down, and then let it dry. So now we're just about ready to install this. We're going to do a dry test fit just to make sure it fits. And then you're good to peel off your backing tape. So now that we've pulled our backing tape off, we're ready to install this. Once you have it on there, you're just going to press firmly all around the edges. That should make it stick real nice. Do the same thing for the other side. We're going to spray this with soap and water. Make sure it's nice and clean. Now we can pull our backing tape off. Get ready to stick this bad boy on. So that wraps up our review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.